strumming on the guitar built steadily. Keyboard adds a soft background swell. Drums join with a simple driving beat.
The path before us is rugged and wide, carrying tales of those who tried. Footprints linger on this ancient ground, each one a memory without a sound. The horizon stretches far and free, a call that beckons you and me. Every heartbeat feels the way, leading us closer to the day. We follow the open road ahead, with every mile the past is shed. Bound by nothing, we run untamed. The road will know us by no name. Between the hills where shadows rest, the wind moves softly with every crest. No fear remains as we push on through. The journey reveals what is tried and true. The horizon stretches far and free, a call that beckons you and me. Every heartbeat feels the way, leading us closer to the day. We follow the open road ahead, with every mile the past is shed. Bound by nothing, we run untamed. The road will know us by no name. We follow the open road ahead, with every mile the past is shed. Bound by nothing, we run untamed. The road will know us by no name.
Lies beyond this winding trail, a mystery that will never fail. The open world is ours to find, with every step we leave behind.
Drums fade to a simple pulse, guitar plays a gentle finger-picked melody. Synth pads create a dreamy atmosphere.
We follow the open road ahead, with every mile the past is shed. Bound by nothing, we run untamed.
The road will know us by no name.
The open road is where we stay,
A boundless path in the light of day. Acoustic guitar fades with delicate strumming. Bass lingers with a deep hum. A soft synth chord closes the track.
electric guitar soars with